All right, smart money gang. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Hey, man. I hope you guys having a lovely week. I hope you guys kind of chilled out, man, because the markets was moving kind of hectic, kind of crazy. So I hope you was getting them entries and them exit points off the last video. Like I was telling you guys, that the exit is the same amount of importance as the entries, guys. We have to have these exits down packed because a lot of you guys are getting winning trades, taking winning trades, but then you letting that win trade turn into a losing trade. How could you? How dare you? How dare you let the markets eat you up like that, man? So today, man, I want to talk about getting ready for the NFP, guys. I want to talk about getting ready for the NFP, and I want to talk about volatility, guys. So the NFP, I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, man. I'm so sorry, man. I'm just excited. I'm just pumped up, man, because I know what tomorrow can bring, what to look for, guys. So I want to talk a little bit about volatility, right? So the NFP does not determine it doesn't change the direction of anything. Okay, guys, what you have to understand is that it's levels. Of course, it's levels. So we do get the NFP to shoot up one way and then boom, go in reverse. But it's not just shooting up one way and just going in reverse. It's actually following structure, guys. So what it's doing is it's finishing up a move from its previous, right? So it's correcting itself. Once it corrects itself, then it shoots down to where it needs to go. Or sometimes it just shoots wherever it needs to go, right? So to get prepared for that, to physically get prepared for that, to mentally get prepared for that, I'm going to go over the same trades that I've been going over all week with you guys, which is Euro NZD, right? And I kind of like this pair, man. I made a couple dollars off Euro NZD this week, so it was crazy because I never trade this pair, and then I traded this pair with you guys, and then we seen it live, right, unfold. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over that, and I'm about to just show you guys how I get initially ready for the NFP, guys, how I look at things and how I, we can go to, deep psychology, right? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And also, guys, we are moving. This is the last time in Dallas, right? So the last time you're going to see this apartment or this background. It's the last time you're going to see, as you guys can see, we got our suitcases and things like that packed up and we're ready to go, guys. So if you guys can guess where we're going, where we're headed, where our forever home is going to be, then go ahead and comment down in the description, in the comment section below. And yeah, I got something for you. So if you do that, man, I got something for you guys. I'm not telling you exactly what it is, but go ahead and do that. Comment it below. And then yeah, you know what I'm saying, we're about to take off, right? So look, smsfxmentors.com, guys, if you want that mentorship, right? So basically today I'm going to be kind of busy tomorrow and then maybe like the next day. So I'll probably get back on here Sunday so we can do our pre-markups and things of that nature. But guys, just give me a minute because I'm gonna be adjusting to moving, guys. So with that being said, guys, I am not a financial advisor. I cannot tell you how to do your money, where to put your money, when to spend your money, and things of that nature. But I do offer private mentorship where we can do one-on-ones and we definitely can discuss these markets, right? That's what we definitely going to be doing. I can show you how to analyze charts, fundamental sentiment analysis, premium signals, guys. Also trading plans, a strategy that works for you, right? And we also going to do risk to reward, and then risk management, right? So risk to reward ratios is going to actually get you that, actually from taking those 1-to-1 trades to maybe a 1-to-2 or a 1-to-3 or a 1-to-4, right? Whichever you get comfortable with, and that's the type of trades we're going to try to practice on. Whether you're a scalper, intraday trader, swing trader, whatever you may be, right? We're going to figure that out, right? We're going to figure out what times, what sessions work out for you, right? Because remember, guys, Forex is what works for you. You can try my exact strategy. You can try this person exact strategy, this person exact strategy. You can try Swaggy C's exact strategy. You can try Q Bank's exact strategy, Jackpot straight strategy. Listen, they probably can give you their strategy themselves. If you probably went to them and asked them, hey, what's your strategy? I bet you they give it to you, guys, because the strategy is the least thing that you need to worry about. You can have a 90% strategy and still not be profitable in these markets, guys. So remember that, guys. And like I said, man, I hope you guys have a perfect, wonderful trading week. And when you're ready to get serious about trading and you want to leave all the nonsense on the table and you really want to understand how to get into the markets and make money and be profitable, then all right, it's a no-brainer. smsfxmentors.com. So I'm about to share the screen, and I'm about to show you guys how I'm getting ready for the NFP, right? Just on a certain pair, okay? So yesterday, guys, when I was showing you guys sniper entries and sniper exits, and you know, there's no cap, because I told you guys, I said, hey, look, if I was to take this sell right here when we was at the 68,000 level, I would wait to enter at this 67,900 level, and then I would take it down to this 67,600. Then I told you how my trade would look. I would have had to put my stop below my last high, so it would have been up here. It would have been a long stop, but at the end of the day, I pay attention to structure. All right, so price would have had to come way up here. Even if it came up here, it would have to keep coming up here in order to break structure to say it's a reversal to the upside, right? So basically, I told you guys all the time, right? I pay attention to numbers: 68,000, 67,900 level, 67,600 level, right? And so these are the levels that I marked up, and actually price was up here somewhere, and like I told you guys, boom, it was going to be a continuation, and price pushed all the way back down to the downside. All right, so simple things of that nature. All right, so how I get ready for the NFP, guys, what I like to do is I like to watch areas, guys, so we know what time the NFP usually goes off. We know what time the news usually goes off, and we want to be on point, right? We want to be on point, right? So we want to understand, and we want to know what session that we're in, what pair we're trading, how volatile this pair could be, if it does go in whichever direction it's going in, and what numbers to be aware of, what numbers to look for, to be cautious of, right? So we see the 67,600 level. We notice that you know, we're low on the stochastics. You know, it seems as if we found a support level, right, guys? So we seem like we found a support level, and we seem like we're ranging in between you know, the 67,600 level and the 68,000 level, right? So if you know that, like, we're kind of ranging here, let me turn this blue for the settings, and we can turn this to a buy zone. We know that this zone right here is ranging, right? And then we also know we got a sell zone up here, right? We got a couple sell zones up here because prices on underneath these zones right here. So we can turn these into sell zones, right? Prices underneath these zones, and so we can watch these zones, right? So what I do is when I'm looking at, you know, when I'm waiting on the NFP and I'm trying to see, you know, what's my next move going to be. So you see these two sell zones. I actually like to, like, you know, scalp off my area first. I like to scalp off my area first. I like to, if I see any type of shapes or form or anything like that, I like to go ahead and get those out of the way, right? So I can put me a sell limit here, and then, okay, I see a pennant. Now this can be a bullish pennant, right? Because this 67,600 level could be a reversal level, or we can get, you know, failure to make a higher high, and then we can push down to the downside. So I know you're like, wait a minute, what does have to do with the NFP, right? So usually when the NFP takes place, right, you know, we you know, it's always structure balance, right? It's always something that's going to be telling us, hey, you know what? Okay, price making higher highs or price is making higher lows, right? So we can scale down to like the 15-minute time frame after we got all of that marked off. We can scale down to the 15-minute time frame, and then we can see what's going on right at the 15-minute time frame, right? So we can kind of see structure, right? So what we want to do is, when we're paying attention, just as if we're paying attention to any regular move, any regular day, right? We want to make sure that we're paying attention to price where price can't break through, places price can't break through, right? So we want to make sure that we know we're at a resistance, or we're at a support level, right? Where price can't break this resistance level to the upside, or either price can't break this support level to the downside. Vice versa, if it's a supply area, right? If it's a supply area, price can break that supply area because it's a lot of sellers stepping in the market, which is pushing price down. Same thing as price can't break that demand area. It's because a lot of buyers are waiting at that point, right? Filling orders to push price back up to the upside, right? And so what we need to start doing to be able to trade the NFP and be more profitable is we need to look at structure. No matter what, right before the news goes off, or right before, the session opens up, we need to be paying attention to structure, higher highs, higher lows, price forming, price not breaking, being able to break certain points, right? So price can break the 68,000 level, price couldn't break the 67,600 level. So let's just say it's tomorrow already, right? So we're up in the morning and we are looking at structure. We're watching this, we're watching structure. We're seeing price not making any higher high. We see price not making any lower lows, right? So all of a sudden we see price going into this symmetrical triangle, whatever you want to call it, right? We see price consolidating in between here. Price get here down to the supported level, it buys up. When price gets to the resistance level, it sells down. It gets back to this resistance level and keep pushing down, get back to the resistance level, push down again, back to the resistance level, push down again, back to the resistance level, push down again, right? So we got multiple hits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of rejection, right, to the upside, right? We know that we got this high right here. Price will have to come past this high right here to break structure, to continue to go to the upside. As we see, price failed to break this high right here, and then we got a push down to the downside. All right, so just pure structure, right? So now let's just say this was the NFP. It was just about to start. We pushing down, we pushing down, we pushing down, and then we get price right here, and let's just say this was the NFP, right? So what we'll do is we like to look at, trust me, we also like to look at candle formation, guys, or either patterns, right? Patterns or candle formation or divergence, things of that nature, right? That's going to let us know, okay, wait, it's resistance, it's above price. So we're going to be looking at price to go down at a certain level, right? Whichever key level it is, whichever key levels you have marked off, points of price where price touched multiple times, right? So you got support and resistance levels marked off, right? You got demand areas and supply areas marked off. And you also have to remember, you have to take heed to all of that, right? So when you're looking at structure and you're seeing, okay, boom, price making lower highs, okay, lower highs, okay, next, maybe this next move, okay, price going to come here. Well, that's when you use the smart money strategy. All you have to do is look at structure, draw on shapes, patterns, whatever you're going by, or candle formations, and then you wait for a break, guys. You wait for a break, either a break and a retest, even if it's just the same candle, either a break, a retest, or a break and a pullback. So one candle pushing all the way up, pulls back. Okay, right? At a certain area that it's a bunch of buyers that's going to step into the market. We don't want fake outs either. So that's why we can mark up, any higher levels as well, just so that you can be like, okay, if it breaks this first line, I'm gonna wait till it breaks the second line, or do a retest and fail to make a lower low and then get into the upside. It's the same thing. All you're doing is watching structure balance. You see lower highs like this, right before the NFP, you're gonna go for the sell. You see higher lows like this, before the NFP, you're going to go for the buy, depending on the area, guys. So like I said, the NFP causes volatility, not direction of the market. Okay, guys, so it does not tell you which way the market is going. Only structural balance can show you that, guys. So you have to pay attention to pure price action and pure structure, or you will not get it, guys. You won't get it. You won't understand it. You'll constantly lose money. You'll constantly throw away money. Like I said, smsfxmentors.com. I didn't want to go too far in depth into this because I know for a fact that this would take more than just a little time on the internet, and more than just me showing you one or two things on YouTube, guys. So if you want that personal mentorship and you want to be coached by me, and you want me to hold you accountable, and you want to become a better trader, then guys, go ahead and sign up, man. Check out all my free content first. Understand that Forex is for you. Understand, do you really want this? What is your why? Why do you want to be a Forex trader? Why do you want to be a day trader? Why, right? Get your whys together. And then after that, we can go from there, guys. As you see structure, right? That's a low, right? This is a higher low. This is a higher low. What is price doing? Pushing up to the upside. Once price break this level right here, then we know we got to push. We can have a push to the upside. So let's just say this is we'll push it up here. right here at this level, right? Because we like even numbers. But really once price break this level right here, then we know we can get a push up to the upside. But me personally, since I know key levels, I like bank key level numbers, I'll wait till price get to the 67, 800. I'll put a buy stop in there, and then I'll take it to this point right here, to the 69, to the 67, 900. See how price react around here. If I get any rejections right here, I'm taking profit, right? If I see price pushing up with a lot of bullish momentum, then I'll stay in. I'll just move my stops here, and then I'll keep continuing pushing up to the next point, 68,000 level, then the next point, 68,500 level, right? It's simple, guys. All you have to do is adjust to what price is doing, to structure. Understanding structure will help a lot, right? So smsfxmentors.com. Come learn structure, come learn pure price action, so that you guys can elevate your trading, guys, and take it to the next level. All right. No indicators, no fancy crazy indicators, just a 200 indicator. You guys can have that for free. Like I said, guys, you want to understand these markets, when to get in these markets, when to stop catching consolidation all the time, when it breaks, how to catch breakouts, how to get those sniper entries and sniper X's. Then go ahead and join the squad. smsfxmentors.com. Let's get it, gang.